A world of investment opportunity awaits. There are specialist sectors and regions well positioned to benefit from growth drivers such as aging demographics, innovation, urbanization, and growing consumerism, and a greater quantum of companies in which to invest and diversify. There are also thousands of fund managers looking to take advantage of these opportunities to generate long-term value for their clients. But how do you decide which of these fund managers to choose? The answer is simple. Let Momentum Global Investment Management do the fund selection for you. Presenting the Momentum Global Equity Fund, our flagship global equity fund, which provides exposure to global developed market equities and aims to deliver long-term capital growth in a highly liquid, cost-effective structure. With a strong track record going back to 2009, our Momentum Global Equity Fund has been designed to capture the very best investment talent from around the world, including Robeco, Jennison, Rainier, and Hotchkiss & Wiley. Be it high conviction, active strategies, or data-driven systematic strategies, the fund combines human intellect with data science, incorporating carefully selected equity managers for their specific investment style approach and strategy, impressive long-term track records, robust processes, and competitive edge. So what does this mean to you? This approach has several advantages, including lower underlying management fees, a blend of quality, growth, and value investment styles, diversification across different geographies, sectors, currencies, and companies, and access to specialist global fund managers that you may otherwise not have access to. Through the Momentum Global Equity Fund, you get true global and multi-layer diversification. By providing access to specialist global investment managers, the Momentum Global Equity Fund has made investing in offshore equity that much simpler. Speak to your Momentum Investments consultant today. With us, investing is personal.